In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card to Venmo, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and what details to enter so your gift card is ready to use for payments. Keep your card handy and let's walk through it together. First, open your Venmo app and log into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and using the most up-to-date version of the app so everything looks and works as expected. From the home screen, tap the Me tab. This is your profile area where you can manage everything tied to your account. It usually shows your profile picture or initials and sits at the bottom right of the screen. Next, tap Settings. You'll find this in your profile view, typically represented by a small gear icon. Settings is where Venmo keeps all the controls for privacy, notifications, and most importantly for us, your payment methods. Inside Settings, choose Payment Methods. This section lists any cards or bank accounts you've already linked and is where you add new ones. Now tap Add a bank or card. Since we're working with a Visa gift card, you'll be adding a card. If you see an option to scan the card, that can save time, but typing it in manually is perfectly fine too. Enter the details of your card carefully. Start with the card number exactly as it appears on the front. Double check for typos and avoid spaces if Venmo doesn't add them for you. Then enter the expiration date and the security code, also called the CVV, from the back of the card. Finally, enter the zip code associated with the card. Some gift cards use the zip code you register for them. Others may print a zip or use the billing address you provided when activating the card. Accuracy here matters because Venmo uses these fields to verify the card. When all fields look correct, tap Add. Venmo may run a quick authorization to confirm the card is valid. If everything checks out, your Visa gift card will appear under Payment Methods and will be available as a funding source when you send money or make a purchase with Venmo. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Network branded gift cards like Visa are often supported, but availability can vary. Make sure your card has enough balance to cover the full payment and any small verification holds. If you see an error, it can be due to card restrictions or issuer rules rather than something you did wrong. That's it. You've successfully added a Visa gift card to Venmo. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using your gift card balance right from the app.